In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation with Copilot in PowerPoint step by step. If you want to generate professional slides in seconds using AI, this is going to save you a lot of time. We'll cover how to use Microsoft Copilot to create the content, export it properly into PowerPoint format, and download the finished presentation to your computer. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Copilot. You can access Copilot through your browser by going to copilot.microsoft.com and signing in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're logged into the account that has access to Microsoft 365 features so you can export your content properly. Once Copilot loads, you'll see the main interface with an Ask Anything text box. This is where you'll type your instructions. Click directly inside the Ask Anything text box to activate it. Now it's time to enter your prompt. This is where you tell Copilot exactly what kind of presentation you want to create. For example, type, "Create a 3-slide presentation on Indian travel experience." You can adjust the topic and number of slides depending on your needs. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. You could even add details like include an introduction slide, key attractions, and a conclusion slide for better structure. After typing your prompt, click the Submit Message button. Copilot will now generate the content for your presentation. Within a few seconds, you'll see a structured response with slide titles and bullet points. Review the content carefully to make sure it matches what you want. If needed, you can ask Copilot to revise or expand certain slides before moving to the next step. Once you're happy with the generated content, it's time to export it as a PowerPoint file. Look at the app bar and click on Export as a Word doc. Even though it says Word, this is the first step towards generating the PowerPoint file. After clicking that option, a pop-up menu will appear. From the pop-up menu, select Create a PowerPoint presentation. This tells Copilot to automatically convert the generated content into a slide deck format that works inside Microsoft PowerPoint. Now wait a few moments while the file is being generated. Depending on your internet speed and the length of your presentation, this may take a few seconds. Copilot will process the content and prepare the PowerPoint file for download. Once the file is ready, you'll see a download button. Click on the download button to save the presentation to your computer. The file will typically be named something like Indian Travel Experience Generated.ppxt based on your topic. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the file. Double-click the downloaded PowerPoint file to open it. It will launch in Microsoft PowerPoint, where you can fully edit the slides, apply themes, change images, adjust fonts, or add animations. And that's it. You've successfully created a presentation using Copilot and exported it as a PowerPoint file in just a few minutes. This method is perfect for students, professionals, teachers, and anyone who wants to speed up their workflow using AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.